Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not loading on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will scrolling down until you find this window here of Telegram, and you will click in this page. Then here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your watching and your attention.